What's up, fam? It's your girl Sweet Pea back with another video. If you're new here, like, subscribe, and before we move on to the first clip, hit the notification button so you can stay up to date with all my entertaining videos. Plus, I'm trying to give y'all a little bit of real talk. So, something happened that's truly devastating. A cement truck was driving on the highway and it crashed into the overpass. Now, this is something that most people don't get to see in their lifetime, only on movies. Now, I'm sure while this big cement truck was driving, he's seen signs before, during, and as he came to the overpass. Here's what happened.
Oh my God! 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 Oh my God!
I can only imagine the devastation and the horror that the other drivers who were driving around the area that can see this accident happen in real time. I can only imagine what they were going through. This is so devastating and so horrible. Please keep these people who were involved in prayer because it was an accident. But again, we got to pay attention. Signs are posted everywhere. So hopefully the driver was okay. You know, I don't know if the overpass actually fell onto the cement truck or if it just hit or fell down around it. So again, be careful. Keep these people in your prayer. This is Sweet Pea signing out until our next encounter.